It looks like the CC just dropped a bombshell arrival for Shiba Inu, but why can't Bitcoin get past this obstacle? Hello, nice people and happy making money. Today we are going to talk about the newest and best things happening in the crypto market. Please give me a beautiful smile to spread good vibes. Hit that like button hard because it's Sunday and likes are free. Now let's do the Shiba shake. I wouldn't say the market is flat right now, but it's not moving either. The greed level is at 73 right now. You could compare it to how the crypto market is right now, where Friday was a good day and Saturday wasn't very eventful, and there isn't much going on in the top 20 so far today, Sunday. In a moment, we will talk about what's going on in the top 100, but Bitcoin itself tried to go above the all-time high. That's the old all-time high from 2021. The writing is small and easy to read, and fought back. Things haven't changed much since then. And if you only look at the minute, you can see that there are a lot of them. The price goes up while I talk, of course. It was empty though, and there were a lot of 1 minute lights. Okay, there was nothing moving. And when you see this on Bitcoin, you know it's a slow day, right? Shiba Inu is down 1.26% for the day. Riding on the 13 EMA, we're still in the upward trend, right? That's the short-term EMA. We will have to wait and see if this trend can last, because if it breaks, it could be a bad sign. That's why we need to be careful. But if we look at the daily, we can see that the random R size still has some room to grow. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is at the very top, right? The strings on Bitcoin are really tight. So it will be very interesting to see what happens over the next few days and into this week. What could possibly happen with Bitcoin? Over the weekend, a lot of people talked about 70,000. We'll see. We'll see. This past weekend, some very important news came out about Bitcoin. The SEC gave the New York Stock Exchange permission to list the Bitcoin option ETF. So we knew they had asked for it, but we hadn't heard back yet. Also, when an IPO is over on the stock market, things usually move quickly for the company, right? In that area, maybe a month. I've seen this happen sometimes when the options are listed, especially on a stock that has gone up a lot since its IPO, but not. Does it drop? Because of tricks with the choice chain, right? The thought of this happening makes me scared. What will happen to Bitcoin and the crypto market when this starts to happen? And yes, it might make markets more open and give traders new ways to make money, but it might also hurt them in the short term, right? So once it starts dealing, it might not be good in the short term, but it could be very good in the long term. There are times when people will buy Bitcoin ETFs and then maybe sell call options on those ETFs. In particular, you don't pay taxes on money that's in an IRA or 401,000 until you retire. This is especially true for IRAs. If you sell call options and make money, you don't have to pay taxes on the gains if you have a Roth IRA. That's why I think some people will use it. Of course, not tips on money. Always do what you need to do. I'd rather say this than give tax help. Okay. I don't know anything about us taxes at all. Thus, it will be interesting to see what takes place here in the following weeks. We are seeing huge amounts of money move into these ETFs though. Going to gold, first Bitcoin ETF imports by year. You can see that no one was really interested in the gold ETF in the first year. Of course, gold just reached its all-time high. In that case, things are very interesting. But take a look at how much money is coming in. You might say, okay, that's a lot more money. Crypto is getting a lot more attention. Though I don't feel that way, a lot of people do. Ethereum is seen as a product that isn't based on speculation, while Bitcoin is seen as one. That's why it's very interesting to see that happen. Also, Bitcoin did close above the red barrier area for the first time every day. It will be interesting to see if it gets out. Can it get out of this? I showed a few days ago. I'm not sure how quickly I can find the picture where someone tagged me. It's here. What we do to keep, oh no, not that yet, AV, not that yet. How do we keep getting 1,000 soon, 100,000 soon? It's easy, it's coming back, long fine. We keep seeing this trend and believing it's about to break out or the end of the shakeout. But it doesn't. So until I see a breakout, I'm still a little worried. I think it's possible that it will go back down to the 65,000 area. Just know that it's possible. Know that it's possible that will happen. But institutions in Wales have been buying a lot of Bitcoin over the last few weeks and months. It will be interesting to see where this trend goes. Now, for some big news, what's going on with ApeCoin? A lot of people in the crypto world have been talking about it. You can see that it has popped a lot in the last day or so and it's very unstable right now. It keeps going up and down. It's going up because they chose to make their own layer 2 and let everyone know about it. The team then said that it would do what the project's bridge said. It works like other online crypto bridges, letting users join their wallets and trade some digital assets. As of this writing, there are networks to connect our API chain to Ethereum and Arbitrum. That's why it will be interesting to see what Ape Chain does here. Is it something like Shiba Inu? We'll see. Of course, this is going off, it's already 50% up today. It might be the top, we are not sure. Is this what makes the meme coin rise happen? Since Ape was a bit off. A joke coin that, well, was forgotten. It wasn't in the top 100, it just came back here, that's all. It had a market value of around $400, as you can see. It wasn't even in the top 100, it showed up yesterday. It wasn't even in the top 100, as you can see. With this news, it came back. I think it was in the top 30 or something close to that. Now that I think about it, could this be the thing that sets off something here? It hasn't yet, right? A lot of trade is going on, but it will be interesting to see what's going to happen in the next few days. Once more, it could crash or pop, you never know, right? It's very unstable in these situations. One look after a short time can make it go up 7%. Be very, very careful if you do decide to day trade it. We can't wait to see where this goes. Just bringing that to your attention because I was thinking about it, could it be a rival to Shiba Inu? It's possible that this is bad for Shiba Inus, but there will always be things that are different, new and competing. Shiba Inu and the Shiba Inu society need to take care of it. There will always be a new joke coin and something shiny, but Shiba Inu is still number 13 on the market cap list after all that time. It's a whole different story when you talk about those crazy goals. Okay, that's why we need to remember it. You ask AV,